Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses. In this series of fast calculation tricks, we are going to learn finding squares of integers. But prior to this, as I had already suggested in my video of basics for fast calculation tricks, memorize squares of numbers up to 25. Here I am giving you the chart of squares, cubes, square roots and cube roots from 1 to 30. It will be extremely good if you can memorize all these squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots up to 30. But for the purpose of finding squares of integers, I will suggest at least you memorize the squares up to 25. Let us learn short trick for finding squares of integers. Let us find the square between 26 and 75. Say our first number for which we are finding the square is 57. So square of 57 can be written as 50 plus 7 whole square. Now what we have to do it? We have to write 2500 plus 700. For 7 we are putting 700 plus square of 7 is 49 and we add all these. This is 3249. Now let us do the square of 43. This can be written as 50 minus 7. This can be written as again square of 50 is 2500 minus 700. 7 multiplied by 100 is 1800 plus square of minus 7 is 49. We add 49 to 1800 and this is 1849. Why we are multiplying 100 to 7 here or minus 7 here? The basic is the identity which we use for finding the square, and that identity is a plus or minus b whole square equal to a square plus or minus 2ab plus b square. In place of a, we are going to write 50 and in place of b, we are going to write x. Here x has the value which is the difference of the given number for which we are finding the square and 50. If the number is 55 and we have to find the square of 55, then we will be writing 50 plus 5. If the number is 47, then we will be writing it 50 minus 3, and then the advantage of taking 50. So we expand 50 plus or minus x square as square of 50 is 2500 plus or minus 2 into 50 into x plus x square. Here 50 into 2 becomes 100. So our next step is 2500 plus or minus 100 into x plus x square. So if we are finding the square of say 57 as we have already done, then 50 plus 7 square can be written as 2500 plus 100 into 7 which is 700 plus square of 7 is 49. So 2500 plus 700 is 3200 plus 49 is 3249. Or we have taken the square of 43. 43 can be written as 50 minus 7 whole square, and then it can be solved as 2500 minus 7 into 100 which is 700 plus square of 7 is 49. So 2500 minus 700 is 1800 plus square of minus 7 which is 49. So this will be 1849. This way we can use this formula as our short trick. So we are going to solve few questions. Say our number is 53 and we have to find the square of 53. Then what we write it as 50 plus 3 square. Now for 50, the square of 50 is 2500. Plus we are going to write 3. For 3 we will be writing 300 plus square of 3 which is 9. So square of 53 is 2809. Now square of 57. This we can write as 2500 which is our standard. plus difference of 50 and 7. The difference of 50 and 57 is 7. So we directly write 700 plus square of 7 is 49. So this is 3249. Square of 44. So first we will write square of 50, which is 2500, minus, as the difference between 44 and 50 is 6, and this is 44 minus 50 is minus 6, so we will write it as minus 600. For 6 we are writing minus 600 plus square of 6, which is 36. So this is equal to 1936. 25 minus 6 is 19. So this becomes 1936. 27 square. 27 is 50 minus 23. So this is 2500 minus 2300 plus square of 23, which is 529. This is equal to 200 plus 500 is 729. This way we have to find out the square of the numbers in between 26 to 75, in which 2500 will be the standard, which is the square of 50, and whatever is the difference between 50 and the given number, we have to multiply it by 100, and we will either write plus or minus that number into 100 plus square of the difference, which is the difference between the given number and 50, and we will add them, and then we will get our required square. Now we should perform all these operations. Instead of writing, we should perform it orally, and we will solve few questions based on this short trick. So square of 34 or 34 square. The difference between 34 and 50 is 16. So we write square of 50, which is 2500, and the difference between 34 and 50, which is 16. So we multiply 16 by 100 and it becomes 1600 plus square of 16, which is 256. So our answer becomes 25 minus 16, which is 9. So 900 plus 256, which is 1156. So square of 34 is 1156. Square of 46. The difference between 46 and 50 is 4. So we write 2500 minus 400 plus square of 4 is 16. 25 minus 4 is 21, which is 2100 plus 16, which is 2116. Now what we have to do? We have to do all these steps orally to avoid all writing work and to reach to the answer fast. Our next question is 58 square. The difference between 58 and 50 is 8. So 2500 plus 800 plus 64. 2500 plus 800 is 3300 plus 64 is 3364. 63 square. The difference between 50 and 63 is 13. So square of 63 is 2500 plus 1300 plus square of 13, which is 169. So 2500 plus 1300 plus 169 equal to 3969. 74 square. The difference between 74 and 50 is 24. So 74 square equal to 2500 plus 2400, that is the difference between 74 and 50, 24. So it is 2400 plus square of 24, which is 576. So 2500 plus 2400 is 4900 plus 576. This is 5476. 69 square. The difference between 50 and 69 is 19. So 2500 plus 1900, which is 1900, plus square of 19 is 361. So 2500 plus 1900 is 4400 plus 361, which is 4761. This way we should do it fast and we should do orally. Initially, for doing practice, You can write all the steps, but then you should start doing it orally and you should save time and do it fast. Here completes this video. Please like, share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.